Hello, welcome back to World of Welding. Here we have the new plasma cutting machine, CUT-60JLED, low frequency pilot start model with central connector. Output range from 20 to 60 amp, with normal cut function as well as grid cut function. At the same time, for smart and automatically cutting work, the CNC connector is ready as well. It's a compact and multi-voltage machine, available for single-phase 220 voltage, three-phase 220 voltage, and three-phase 380 voltage as well. In single-phase 220 voltage, Max Severance CUT can up to 35 mm. In three-phase, Max Severance CUT can up to 40 mm. Bypass the knob to have the gas check function. Button on the right side, on the top, we can choose to work under 2T or 40 mode. Under here, we can also set pre-flow time from 0.1 to 5 seconds. Post-flow time from 1 to 10 seconds.